Hello, good afternoon. I am Erika. I'm a teacher and we are going to cook a cake today. Here I have my mini chef. Say hello.
Hello.
Her name is
Meryl.
and we're going to start. Let's go! Okay, we're going to start. Here you have all the ingredients that we are going to use. The first one is the oil, flour, 3 eggs, yeast, sugar, and 1 yogurt. Okay, first put all the yogurt into the mixture. When you have the container empty, fill it with oil. When you have it, put all the oil into that. Now fill the container with sugar twice. The next ingredient that we are going to use are eggs. We need 3. When you have them, put the eggs into the mixture and shake all the ingredients. And finally, 3 containers with flour. Mega, say hello!
It smells delicious.
Now put a little bit of yeast. And when you have all the ingredients, mix them. Cake into the oven. Now heat the oven to 180 degrees. Now it's ready to eat. Well done, my mini chef!